Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crispy shrimp Ukoy. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of fresh peeled shrimp, along with your favorite vegetables such as bean sprouts, shredded carrots, and green onions. For the batter, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Remember, fresh ingredients are key to a truly delicious Ukoy, so prepare everything carefully. Now let's create that perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Gradually pour in about 180 milliliters of very cold water, mixing until just combined. The cold water is crucial for achieving that desired crispiness. Next, gently fold in your prepared shrimp and vegetables. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. This ensures a light and airy texture for your fritters. It's time to fry. Heat about 500 milliliters of neutral cooking oil in a deep pan or wok to approximately 175 degrees Celsius. A good indicator is when a small drop of batter sizzles immediately. Carefully drop spoonfuls of your Ukoy mixture into the hot oil, gently flattening them with the back of your spoon. Fry each side for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are wonderfully crispy. Once your Ukoy are perfectly golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the oil. Place them on a wire rack or a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This step is important for maintaining their crispiness. Serve your delicious, hot Ukoy immediately with your favorite dipping sauce. A classic choice is a mixture of vinegar, minced garlic, and a pinch of chili flakes. Enjoy this delightful Filipino snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.